Hello, welcome back to Java Revisited channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how to use insertion sort in Java. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest notification. Now let's talk briefly about the insertion sort. So insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm. The array is visually split into a sorted and an unsorted part. Values from the unsorted part are picked and placed at the correct position in the sorted part. To be more clearly what is an insertion sort is, let's move to the algorithm part. So to sort an array using insertion sort, firstly we will assume the first element in the array is sorted. So I'm having this array as an example, and then we will separate it into sorted and unsorted part. So after that, for each unsorted element, we will compare with the element in the sorted array and place at the correct position in the sorted array. So first I will pick number 2 in the unsorted array and then compare it with the element in the sorted array. So 2 is smaller than 3, so I will put 2 before 3, and then the process keep repeated until the unsorted array is empty. So now we will pick the next number in the unsorted array is number 8, and we'll compare it with the elements in the sorted array. So 8 is bigger than 2 and also bigger than 3, so it will be placed behind 3. And finally, the last number in the unsorted array is 1, and we will compare it with the element in the sorted array. So 1 is smaller than 2 and smaller than 3 and also smaller than 8, so we will put it at the beginning of the array. So now let's implement that algorithm. So as you can see, I'm having an insertion sort function here, taking an array as a parameter. And firstly, I will declare size as the length of the array. Then I use a for loop starting from the second element of the array. Like I said, we will assume the first element of the array is already sorted. Then I declare integer key, which is the current element, to compare with integer j, which is the previous element, or it means the element in the sorted array. Then while the current element is smaller than the element in the sorted array, we will increase the position of the element in the sorted array by 1 in order to put the current element behind the element in the sorted array. And then we minus j to check the next element in the sorted array, is it bigger or smaller than the current element. And if there is no smaller element than the current element, we will place the current element after the element just smaller than it. And here is the main code. So I will create an array which is similar to the array I am taking as an example in the algorithm part, and I call insertion sort function and put that array as a parameter, and then I will bring that array in the ascending order. So now we will run the program. As you can see, the algorithm is working well. All of the element is sorted as an ascending order. So as the result, our program is running well without any error or any problem. So if you guys have any question regarding to this algorithm, regarding to this program or Java theory, just feel free to comment below. I will answer all of your questions as soon as possible. And that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, don't hesitate to give us a like and a comment below. And in the next video, I will show you guys how to check the length of the last word in Java. So see you guys in the next video.